Hey everybody, John Woolworth here. In the heart of Africa, there is a national park where the entire power of the Nile River flows through a gap only 7 meters wide. I've been to Murchison Falls before, but this is the first time I was able to see the falls from both the top and the bottom. I was also able to see some of the amazing wildlife, including elephants, hippos, and even lions. Over the course of 2 days, we saw the falls from a boat, then from the top of the falls the next day. The first day we took the boat. It was a 3-hour round trip from the boat landing to the base of the falls. Along the way we saw crocodiles, hippos, waterbuck, and many kinds of birds. Eventually the falls came into view around the bend as we took a boat up the Nile. The current got so strong that we were not able to get any closer. This is understandable with the sheer power of that waterfall flowing through such a narrow channel. The next day we drove to the top of the falls. This was by far a much more impressive way to see them. You could feel the sheer power of the waterfall rumbling through your very being. Murchison Falls, though by no means the highest, is the most powerful waterfall in the world. I'd been to Murchison Falls before, but the water was particularly high on this visit, as East Africa has been experiencing higher than usual amounts of rain for about the past year or so. So I'm going to stop talking now and just let you experience the grandeur of this waterfall. If you ever get the chance to come to Uganda, this is a must-see. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and tell us what your favorite travel places are in the comments.